We love helping companies take the guesswork out of printing, finishing, mailing, and more. Our Solimar chemistry platform provides automated workflow software that benefits direct mailers, implants, and transactional production printers. So, how do printers take the guesswork out of their factories? Well, there are several ways. First, by tracking all of their work or jobs with a visibility dashboard. This helps managers know when jobs arrive, where they are in the factory, when work gets mailed, couriered, and even archived. And by giving customers direct access to the dashboard, they can accept or reject jobs or individual pieces of mail. Our case study with the state of Colorado discusses this and also highlights how they gained new work and increased customer satisfaction with this self-service model. Another customer, Data Pros, took the guesswork out of their production print, mail, and electronic document delivery services. First, Solimar software helped them standardize their jobs into optimized PDFs. Then they applied further optimizations to create very small files for their archive and e-delivery customers. The case study highlights how they gained new business and reduced their operational and storage costs. Now, IWCO took the guesswork out of their manual quality control process. This alleviated duplicate mailing concerns. Solimar software also enabled them to standardize their operations on production PDF workflows. This helped them to quickly and easily integrate new HP page-wide presses into their factories that already have screen and Canon printers. We helped IWCO take the guesswork out of finishing by enabling them to share their existing bindery equipment without having to retrofit. The case study highlights the benefits that post-composition delivered in this seamless process. Now, the big guesswork. How will this get done? Who will do this work? And when will it be done? So the good news is our solutions don't require programmers or extensive services. They are configurable, templatized, and have intuitive user interfaces, thus highly DIY or do it yourself. Our solutions are backed with expert global technical support and a plethora of free educational content in SUO or Solimar University online. I'd love to talk with you about your needs and priorities, and we can share how Solimar can take the guesswork out of your pre-flight or make-ready processes, help to secure customer data in proofs and archives, add intelligent batching to reduce postal costs and save loads of time and paper, also enhance your job ticketing with JDF JMF communications and XJDF reporting, and really help you in taking the guesswork out of your factory to increase productivity. With our mobile visibility, you can be in the know and receive statuses, alerts, and even confirmations of mail and items received. Of course, the goal in removing guesswork is for you to attain great ROI by increasing revenue, lowering costs, removing risks, and improving employee and customer satisfaction. I'd love to speak with you about our universal workflow solutions and Chemistry Now. Please reach out and I'll set up a call or we can meet at an upcoming conference. On behalf of my global team, I appreciate your time and look forward to speaking with you.